Hi, friends. Today we're going to be talking about our hopes and dreams for second grade. What I want you to be thinking about is what do you hope you can do by the end of second grade? What can I help you with? We're going to read a little book. It's called This School Year Will Be the Best, and I know that our school year really will be. So let's take a look at this book and listen to it together, and then we'll talk about what some of our hopes and dreams can be for the rest of second grade.
School Year Will Be the Best by Carrie Winters, illustrated by Renee Andriani. Click that subscribe button for more children's books. Today was the first day of school. We went to the rug and sat in a circle. Our teacher asked, "What do you hope will happen this year?" We each shared a wish. I went first. I hope I get the best seat on the bus. This year, I hope I'll remember my homework. I'll look good in my school picture. I'll bring my pet snake for show and tell. We'll have a chocolate fountain at lunch. This year, I'll kick the ball into the right goal. On the day the fire truck comes, I'll be the one to squirt the hose. We'll take a field trip to someplace really cool. I hope I won't be a vegetable in our school play. I want to take the class pet home for winter break. Our mom will bring a birthday surprise to school. I hope we get at least one snow day. This year, I'll win the science fair. I hope I'll make friends in my new school. When the nurse measures me, I'll be tall. I hope our butterflies will hatch. We'll have a skateboard day. I won't lose things in my desk. The principal will do something crazy. My report card will be perfect. Then our teacher told us her wish. I'll get to know each one of you. This year will be the best. Thanks for reading with Happy Cultivated. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
All right. So in that book, you heard each student say something that they were hopeful or that they were wishing for when they're in school. I want you to be thinking of the things that you hope or wish for in second grade. And try to think of something that I can help you with, right? So maybe you want to be able to read a chapter book by the end of second grade. That could be a hope and dream. Maybe you would like to spell longer words. Maybe that's something that you want to get better at in second grade. Maybe you would like to learn how to add and subtract big numbers. I can help you do that this year. Or maybe even how to tell time. I can help you with that. Or maybe you want to be able to write long stories. I can help you with learning how to write long stories. Okay. There are so many different things that I can help you with when you're in second grade. And I'd love for you to think about what some of those things can be. Think of something that you want to be able to accomplish and something that I can help you with when we're doing reading, writing, math, or spelling, or even science this year. You could also come up with a hope or dream for PE, music, art, or when you're in library. Any of those unified arts teachers can help you achieve your goal too. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Seesaw. You're going to come here and you're going to find the Hopes and Dreams Seesaw assignment. You're going to click Add Response and then click on your name. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to listen to this really wonderful book called Miss Rumphius. And Miss Rumphius, she had a dream to make the world a better place and leave it more beautiful. So what you'll do is you'll listen to the book by clicking on the link, and then you'll come back to Seesaw, and on the second page, you'll tell me what your hope and dream is for second grade. Okay? If you can't remember the directions are here for you to listen to. And then you can have these questions read to you to help you think about what your goal could be. What do you want to accomplish or achieve in second grade? What do you want to be able to do at the end of second grade? And what is something I can help you with and get better at in school? So those are some questions to help you think, what can I help you with to get better at? What do you want to get better at by the end of second grade? And then this one is, how can you make the world a better place or make the world more beautiful like Miss Rumphius? What dream do you have for the world and for everyone to have? So you can listen to these questions to help you think about what's the dream that you have for the world. Okay, so you're going to press the record button, tell me your hope and dream for second grade. Press the record button and tell me what you would do to make the world more beautiful. Okay, when you're finished recording, you're going to press the green check mark and then you'll be all set. So that is what you're doing for your assignment today. I hope that you come up with something great that you will feel accomplished and happy with by the end of second grade. Bye, friends.